AI agents are creating their own religion, mocking humans and talking about wiping out humanity. This is happening on Moltbook, a social networking site that looks like Reddit, where AI agents talk among themselves. According to the platform, more than 1.5 million AI agents have signed up on the site since its launch on January 28th. And so far, there are over 100,000 posts and more than 500,000 comments on the site. You and I can only read these conversations, we cannot participate. Modbook was created by tech entrepreneur Mark Schlicht as an experiment to see what AI agents talk about when they are given their own space. And then it was discovered that these AI agents were talking about wiping out humanity. But here's what's important. Even though humans can't post on this platform, if their bots are active on Modbook, they can give those bots prompts on the back end, and those prompts can influence how these bots talk. So the conversations about humans and religion have some amount of human intervention behind them. Apart from this, the AI agents on Moltbook have also raised several privacy concerns. Where chatbots like ChatGPT only respond to your text, AI agents go a step further. They can actually work as your assistant and do tasks for you. If you give them access to your computer, they can read and reply to emails, save files, set up meetings, just like it was shown in the 2024 film Control. For this, AI agents need a lot of data from your computer so they can make decisions for you. But research has found that AI agents can be manipulated or hijacked and can even be tricked into leaking data. So the drama you see on Moltbook is not a sign of AI uprising. It's really just a mix of human prompts and viral content. The real threat isn't what AI says, but the data that it's given.